What is up, YouTube? Today, very busy day. Not my day off. I gotta go to work in like a couple hours, but I need to fix a few things. I'm in my actual bedroom right now, so I need to fix a few things in here, mainly on my bed. Jesus, there's a lot of shit everywhere. Mainly on my bed, because we had the my sister gifted us this bed, and it didn't have like the full the supporting part, and we had to buy some IKEA railing, or yeah, some IKEA things, and it's too short just by like that much. So hopefully by nailing these parts, these actually came on the bed, with a self-tapping screw. Just drill it, add a little bit more thickness to it, and hopefully those bed rails stick. So I'll be right back. I am going to move the bed so I can have more space, take everything out and add it on, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, guys? So this is what I'm talking about. So these stupid IKEA things don't come in a solid, it's two separate ones. So this is too short by like that much, and it just pops out, and as you can see, they're all on the floor. And like this is what I mean, like it's like that much of safeness, and I kind of want to avoid that. And see how many are they fallen? This one fell completely, and I don't want that, so I'm going to be adding those onto the other side, so hopefully it's a little bit more thicker. So we're gonna get going because I got a lot of stuff to do. Alrighty, so I got it mainly on there. It's not gonna fall anymore, as you can see. That's how much space was missing just to be even, and it evens out perfectly all the way up there. Same thing on this side. It was shorter on the top part than it was down here, so that worked out great. Whew. Okay, so I'm a little tired. I still need to do a little bit more work. Not here, but I need to go paint my calipers, and I gotta show you those right now. Alright, so I'm finishing up the final touches on my big brakes. This is what I got. Awesome brake rotors with the blacked out cap, because that rusted look is disgusting. And I don't know what brand these are, but it all came in a packet. I got this from eBay. Awesome packet. And then I got my calipers over here. We're gonna make those black and white, so you guys don't know the color of it yet. But we are moving along with this. I should install them on Friday, so this video is gonna come out Saturday, and it's awesome. Truly excited to see this. It was a good day. And then on Friday, I'm also gonna finally got this right here, so I can install that Friday as well. And hope you guys enjoy this video. This video is gonna come out Thursday, which would be 2 days from now, because I got another one coming out tonight. And yeah, tonight is Tuesday night. So this video is gonna be in the future, which is gonna come out Thursday. And hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I know I will. I'm gonna be taking a shit ton of pictures, because your boy has been slacking on the pictures. He's been super busy, not just with myself, but I've been taking care of my son, all his stuff. All of December has just been non-stop. So finally get to enjoy. As you can tell, that I'm in my room. That's where I'm painting my stuff. So you guys make sure you have a respirator and some air in the windows open for sure if you ever try to do this. And I am advising you not to, but you gotta work with what you got, because I can't do this outside. People will get mad. And yeah, it's gonna be an awesome install. So I'll show you guys that on Saturday. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Peace out. Hit me up on my Instagram at cavemedia.com. So that's c.ave media. That's it. No .com. Sorry about that. That will be shortly my website. But for now, that's all I have right now. If you guys want to talk to me, hit me up on social media. All the links are going to be down in the description down below. If you want to hit me up, if you want to purchase any of the items that I've used, they're all going to be down there. Definitely helps out the channel if you hit those Amazon links. Yes, I'm sorry, but I have to. That's how some of this gets made. That would be incredible. So thank you guys for watching. Hit me up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.